Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we are going to be learning a ballet jump. This is a really beautiful half rotation jump, so it's great if you are moving beyond your tap toes and your bunny hops and want something that's artistic and just a little bit of a challenge. So for this jump, we're going to need an inside three turn. Now remember, I rotate counterclockwise, but if you rotate clockwise, you can just reverse these directions and you'll do just fine. So again, we're going to use those inside three turns. If you haven't learned this yet, I will post a link to my tutorial up above and in the description down below so you can learn those inside three turns and then come back to this tutorial. So since I am right-handed, I'm actually going to start with my right inside three turn. So we're going to do this three turn just like we do when we're practicing it on its own with our hands in that nice check position. All right, so that's our start. Let me show you that again. Three turn. Now here is where it gets a little bit fancy. We have finished our three turn. I'm going to stick my toe in the ice behind me sideways. Notice that it is not forwards and it's not fully backwards. I'm putting it in the ice sideways. So this will give me the most grip. You do not want to put it in the ice forwards or it can easily slide out from under you. So you're going to finish your three turn and put your toe in the ice sideways. Now, right now I have my left hand slightly in front of me and my right hand is reached out to the side. It's a little different than a normal three turn where I would have a really strong check. So we're starting with our traditional check, but I'm going to let my left hand come in front of my chest. So you can see that they're both angled towards the right side of my body. So I have my arms to the right, my toe is in the ice sideways. Now I'm going to actually hop on my toe. So I go up and down on the same toe. I'm not switching feet, I'm hopping on the same toe. And at the same time, my hands are going to go across into this really pretty artistic position. So they're facing the right, they're going to swoosh and face the left. I like to put my left a little up and my right in front of me. Swoosh. So you can see that my weight in my hips is also changing at the same time. Inside three turn, let the hands come across, toe in the ice, swoosh the arms and switch your weight. All right, now we're ready to try the actual jump. As I said, you're just gonna hop up and down on your toe pick. So we're gonna go hop. We're trying to get into a very ballet position. So the ultimate position is gonna be here. So you want to jump with that leg as close to 90 degrees to the side of you as you can. You might have to do a few leg lifts, build up some strength there, but that's what we're aiming for. You can start low, and as you get more confident with this jump, lift that leg a little bit higher. All right, so we have finished our three turn, toes in the ice, our arms come across, we're gonna hop, and then we're gonna step onto our right inside edge. So we're hopping on the left toe, step onto the right inside edge. So let's try this all together. Right inside three turn, shift the arms, toe in the ice, change your weight, hop, step onto that right inside edge. That's the whole jump all together. A few things you're really going to want to be sure of is making sure you have that toe really strong in the ice, sideways when it hits the ice, sideways when it lands. So you're starting backwards, you're facing sideways as you jump with that toe in the ice sideways, and then you step forwards as you land. That toe needs to be really strong. You want to really lift through your body in the jump. If you have a soft upper body, you're going to have a really hard time controlling your lower body in the jump. So nice strong back, strong core, lift. So you have nice posture. This is called a ballet jump. So we want to look like a ballet dancer. So nice high chin, pretty strong arms, no floppy arms please. Pretty strong arms, and that strong kick with our right leg. Now that ending position, let's go over that ending position. If you've learned your half flip, it's the exact same ending position as that. So the ballet jump forward ending position is the same as the half flip ending position. So it's on our right inside edge. We're going to extend our left hand in front of us, bend deep onto that right inside edge, and extend our left foot out. That left foot is not directly behind us, It is to the side with our foot turned out. Let me show you that again. So this is the ending position for our forward jumps, including our ballet jump. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that one. That ballet jump is a really neat, artistic half rotation jump that you can add to your jump repertoire. If you enjoyed this, please do give us that thumbs up. And of course, I always look forward to reading all your comments in this section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.